Landscape lighting in Southlake is essential for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Southlake Outdoor Lighting Co. offer a wide range of options, including pathway illumination, garden lights, and LED outdoor lights. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden with LED garden lights in Bedford or need security lighting solutions in Southlake TX, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Pathway lighting in Southlake TX is crucial for safety and aesthetics. Our pathway illumination solutions ensure that your walkways are well lit and inviting. We specialize in motion sensor outdoor lights in Bedford, providing added security and convenience. With our solar lighting installation in Southlake, you can enjoy energy-efficient lighting that reduces your carbon footprint. Patio and deck outdoor lighting Bedford TX can transform your outdoor living space. Our patio lighting options include deck lights, accent lighting, and string lights to create the perfect ambiance. For those in need of floodlight installation in Southlake, Texas, we offer powerful solutions that illuminate large areas effectively. Security lighting is a top priority for homeowners in Southlake. Our security lighting solutions in Southlake TX include motion sensor lights and floodlights to deter intruders and enhance safety. We also provide wall-mounted outdoor lights in Bedford for added security and style. Poolside outdoor lighting. Bedford TX create a relaxing and safe environment for nighttime swimming. Our poolside lighting options include step lights and bollard lights to ensure visibility and safety. For those interested in tree lighting services in Bedford, Texas, we offer uplighting and downlighting to highlight your landscape's natural beauty. Driveway lighting in Bedford TX is essential for safe navigation and curb appeal. Our driveway lighting solutions include low-voltage lighting and spotlights for gardens in Bedford. We also offer bollard lighting solutions in Southlake, Texas for a modern and stylish look. Accent outdoor lighting. Bedford TX can highlight architectural features and create focal points in your landscape. Our accent lighting options include outdoor sconces in Bedford, Texas, and lantern lighting services in Southlake TX. With our energy-efficient outdoor lights in Southlake, you can enjoy beautiful lighting while saving on energy costs. Outdoor lighting installation in Bedford TX is our specialty. We provide comprehensive services, including string lighting installation in Southlake TX and downlighting installation in Southlake. Our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality lighting solutions that enhance your outdoor space. For those seeking outdoor lighting Bedford TX services, Southlake Outdoor Lighting Co. offer customized solutions to highlight your landscape's unique features. Our uplighting options include tree lighting services in Bedford, Texas, and spotlights for gardens in Bedford. With our expertise, you can create a stunning outdoor environment that stands out.